Hey genius, what's going on? This is Rama, and today I am reviewing something that's honestly shocked me. Imagine getting access to powerful AI tools like Perplexity, GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, all inside one dashboard without paying hundreds of dollars every single month. Yeah, that's exactly what this new platform called Perplex AI claims to do. But here the big question, is this actually legit, or is it just another overhyped AI scam? Well, I spent the last few hours testing it myself, and in this video I'm gonna show you what it does, how it works, what it's actually for, the pros and cons, and whether this thing is really worth buying in 2026. So make sure you watch until the end because there are a few things you need to know before purchasing. Now let's be honest for a second. Most people today are using multiple AI tools, one for writing, one for research, another for SEO, another for scripts, and suddenly you're paying $20 here, $50 there, another $30 somewhere else. Before you know it, you're spending hundreds every month. And the worst part, a lot of AI tools still giving outdated information, generic response, and weak research. That's why tools like Perplexity AI explode AI popularity recently. Because unlike traditional AI chatbot, Perplexity focused on real-time research and fresh web-based answer. And that exactly where Perplex AI comes in. So basically, Perplex AI is an all-in-one AI research and content generation platform. Inside the dashboard, you can access real-time AI research, AI writing tools, content generation, trend discover, summarize tools, and multiple premium AI models in one place. According to the creators, it include access to Sonar Large, Sonar Pro, Sonar Reasoning, Deep Research Mode, plus bonus access to GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, and more. Now obviously, that sounds crazy for the price they are asking. So I wanted to test whether it actually perform well. So right now, I'm inside the dashboard, and honestly, the interface is surprisingly beginner friendly. You basically log in, choose the AI model, type your question or task, and it starts generating result almost instantly. One thing I noticed immediately is that the research feels much fresher compared to normal AI tools. For example, when I tested trending topics in current news style prompts, it was pulling much more updates information compared to standard chat GPT style response. And if you are a YouTuber, blogger, affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or SEO creator, this can save you a lot of time. I also tested blog writing, YouTube script generating, SEO article creation, summarize articles, and research tasks. And overall, the output were actually solid. Actually, considering this is supposed to be a low one-time price tool, another thing I liked, you can switch between multiple AI models without constantly opening different platform. That's alone a simplify your workflow massively. And honestly, for content creators, that convenience is hug. So who do I think this is best for? Honestly, this is probably best for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, SEO bloggers, freelancers, agencies, students, researchers, and beginners who don't want multiple expensive subscriptions. Especially if you're creating content daily, the real-time research feature can help you produce fresher and more relevant content much faster. Now obviously no tools is perfect. So let me give you the honest downside too. First, if you are already paying for multiple premium AI subscription directly, you may not need this. Second, some advanced users may still prefer using official standalone tools separately for maximum customization. And third, since this is a never platform, future updates and long-term stability are always something to consider. So yes, there is some risk involved like with any new AI software launch, but overall for the current price, I think the value is honestly pretty strong. Now let's talk about pricing. This is probably the craziest part. Right now they're offering Perplex AI for one-time payment of around $14.95 instead of expensive monthly subscriptions. And according to the sales page, that includes lifetime access plus future updates. Now obviously I can't guarantee how long that pricing will stay available. Usually with launches like this, the price increase later or move or to monthly billing. So if you are interested, I'd definitely recommend checking it out sooner rather than later. Also, if you use the link in my description, you may also get additional bonuses depending on when you watch this video. So verdict. Final verdict. Do I think Perplex AI for worth it? Honestly, for beginner content creators, affiliate marketers, YouTubers, bloggers and freelancers, yeah, I think this is a very interesting deal. The biggest strength here is real-time AI research, multiple AI models, simplified workflow, and avoiding expensive monthly costs. Is it perfect? No. But for the price they're asking right now, it's honestly pretty impressive. Especially if you're tried paying for multiple AI tools every month. So if you want to check out Perplex AI for yourself, I will put the link down below in the description. Go take a look at the features, pricing, bonuses and see if it fits your workflow. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tools you currently use the most. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.